You've probably watched videos saying things like, "This ETF will make you rich," or "Just buy these 3 ETFs and you're set forever." Yeah, sounds great, right? Before we start, if this video helps you, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We make these videos to help you invest smarter. ETFs are super popular right now, but hardly anyone talks about the mistakes beginners make, mistakes that slowly drain your profits over time. Today, I'll walk you through 7 common ETF mistakes you should avoid if you want your money to actually grow. Welcome to martikfinance, where we make investing easy to understand. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Mistake #1, thinking all ETFs are diversified. Many people assume every ETF is well diversified. Not true. 2 ETFs in the same sector can be totally different. Some hold hundreds of companies, others hold only a few giants. Before you buy, always check the ETF fact sheet. Number of holdings. Sector exposure. How much weight goes to the top 10 companies? A concentrated ETF carries more risk than a broad one. Mistake #2. Believing ETFs are safe. Just because something is diversified doesn't mean it can't drop. Even broad market ETFs like an S&P 500 fund can fall 20–50% during major crashes. ETFs reduce individual company risk, but they do not eliminate market risk. If you panic sell during downturns, you can lock in losses you didn't need to take. Mistake #3, ignoring fees. ETFs are cheap but not free. You need to watch. Expense ratio, yearly fee. Trading commissions, depends on your broker. Higher fees slowly eat into your long-term gains, especially with actively managed ETFs. Mistake number 4, not checking tracking error. A passive ETF should follow its index closely. But sometimes the ETF drifts away due to trading costs, rebalancing delays, liquidity issues. Big tracking errors mean you earn less than the index you thought you were buying. Always choose ETFs with low tracking error. Mistake number 5, chasing last year's performance. Seeing a 30–50% return chart makes people say, "I need to buy this." But past performance doesn't predict what happens next. Instead of chasing returns, look at strategy, diversification, fees, long-term goals. Buy because it fits your plan, not because it was hot. Mistake #6, trying to time the market. Everyone wants to buy the dip, but timing the perfect moment almost never works. Historical data shows missing just the 10 best days of the S&P 500 over 20 years can cut your returns almost in half. Consistency beats timing. Use long-term strategies like dollar-cost averaging. Mistake #7, using leveraged ETFs without understanding them. Leveraged ETFs, 2x or 3x, look exciting but can destroy your money fast. They reset daily, so gains and losses compound differently. Even if the index moves sideways, a leveraged ETF can end up far lower. They're not designed for beginners or long-term investing. And there you go, 7 ETF mistakes that can quietly hurt your returns. Drop a comment and let me know which mistake surprised you the most. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.